Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Flex 1010 step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Flex 1010 is a liquid insecticide concentrate made to eliminate and control a variety of pests in many situations. Made with 10% permethrin and 10% piperonyl butoxide or PBO, this product can be used to control mosquitoes, flies, gnats, wasps, ticks, fleas, cockroaches, spiders, and many more pests indoors or outdoors on residential or commercial properties and with a variety of application equipment. Flex 1010 is a concentrate and needs to be mixed with water before application. For most outdoor applications and for indoor use, we recommend you mix and apply the solution with a handheld pump sprayer. Thanks to this product's flexibility, it can also be applied with a ULV machine or a mosquito misting system, as well as with a hose end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig. Flex 1010 can be used in a variety of applications, but we'll go over how to use this product with a sprayer for general premise or surface spraying. To calculate the amount of product you need to use, calculate your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. Check Flex 1010's label for the application rate you'll need to treat your targeted pest. Many pests can be treated by mixing 3.2 to 6.4 fluid ounces of product with 1 gallon of water. Fill your sprayer with half the required amount of water, then use the bottle's tip and pour feature to measure the correct amount of product you'll need. Add it in, then add the remaining amount of water. Close and shake the sprayer to ensure an even distribution. Once the solution is fully mixed, you can add additional products like marking dyes or surfactants. Once your solution is mixed, you can apply it outdoors as a broadcast spray, a barrier spray, or as a spot application where pest activity has been observed. Spray around common entry points such as windows, doors, eaves, and where plumbing penetrates the walls. When spraying landscape ornamentals or other foliage, be sure to coat both the upper and lower leaf surfaces to ensure adequate coverage. Indoors, apply as a crack and crevice application where pests may be hiding or where they can enter the premises, like around doors and windows, baseboards, and behind or underneath appliances. For bedbug treatments, you can apply this product to the tufts, edges, seams, and folds of mattresses and box springs. Flex 1010 is labeled for use indoors and outdoors in residential and commercial properties. Outdoor areas include animal corrals, feedlots, gardens, parks, golf courses, and playgrounds, while indoor areas include boiler rooms, garages, flour mills, hotels, motels, hospitals, residential homes, schools, warehouses, and restaurants. However, keep in mind that you may not use this product in the food areas of restaurants or other food handling establishments where food is commercially prepared or processed. Flex 1010 may be used as soon as you notice pest activity. Outdoors, apply on calm days to avoid wind drift and when rain is not in the forecast. Once dry, this product will leave a residual that will continue to control pests for up to 30 days, depending on the weather and pest severity. Depending on your target pest's life cycle, we recommend you make reapplications of Flex 1010 every 14 to 21 days until your infestation is taken care of. Flex 1010 is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. Keep in mind that this product is highly toxic to bees, so do not apply this product or allow it to drift to blooming crops or weeds while bees are actively visiting the treatment area. When spraying indoors, make sure all food and utensils that may be in the area are covered or removed prior to application. To ensure the efficacy of your spray application, we recommend you use a surfactant. When mixed with your pesticide solution, it helps the active ingredient spread and stick more easily to applied surfaces, increasing the treated surface area. Finally, for full control of pests like fleas, we recommend you use an insect growth regulator or IGR. IGRs target juvenile pests, preventing them from developing into reproductive adults and busting the pest's life cycle. Flex 1010 is a flexible product that controls many pests in many locations.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.